Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music or play music from your mobile phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. First of all, we go on to music. You'll see there at the bottom, if I click there, iPhone, hands-free system, Jaguar. Hands-free system is the one in this car. So whatever I play now, any audio, whether it be YouTube video audio, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, Spotify, whatever, this sound, if you set this right, will play through here. Now, what do? There's audio there, but there's mode here. You're tempted to go on audio, but you click mode, and you'll see there, you've got FM, MW, or you've got FM, medium wave, Bluetooth audio. Click Bluetooth audio, and there we go. That's it. That's how you play music.